such as ethanol, alcohol by the action of organic catalysts called enzymes, usually in the absence of air. Thus, the conversion of sugar to alcohol by the action of the enzyme zymase from yeast is a process of fermentation. Example C6H12O6 zymase to give 2C2H5OH plus 2CO2. Therefore, the answer is C. Question 138. Catalytic hydrogenation of benzene produces A. Cyclohexane, B. Oil, C. Margarine, C. Cyclohexane. Solution. Benzene reacts actively with hydrogen in the presence of material catalyst. For instance, if benzene vapor with hydrogen is passed over nickel catalyst at about 200 degrees centigrade, an additional product cyclohexane C6H12 is obtained. Therefore, the answer is D. Question 139. A characteristic reaction of the compound with general formula CnH2n is A. Substitution, B. Esterification, C. Decarbonylation, D. Polymerization. Solution. Compounds with general formula CnH2n constitute homologous series called alkanes. The alkanes are unsaturated hydrocarbons which characteristically undergoes polymerization reaction. Therefore, the answer is D. Question 140. When chlorine is passed into water and the resulting solution exposed to sunlight, the product formed are A. Chlorine gas and hydrogen, B. Hydrochloric acid and oxygen, C. Chlorine gas and oxochlorate 1 acid, D. Oxygen and oxochlorate 1 acid. Solution. When chlorine is passed into water, it combines with water to form hydrochloric acid and chlorate 1 acid, H2O, water plus chlorine to give hydrochloric acid plus chlorate 1 acid. When this solution is exposed to sunlight, which acts as catalyst, the acid chlorate 1 acid gives off the oxygen, thus producing hydrochloric acid and oxygen. The answer is B. Question 141. The pair of organic compounds that are isomer is A. But1N and but2N, B. Ethanol and propanol, C. Trichloromethane and tetrachloromethane, D. Benzene and methylbenzene. Solution. Isomers are compounds with the same molecular formula but different structural formula. For example, but1N represented as H2 with single bond CH2 with single bond CH2 with double bond CH2, and but2N represented as H3C with single bond CH with double bond CH with single bond CH3 have the same molecular formula CH4H8. Therefore, the answer is A. Question 142. When sucrose C12H22O11 solid react with hydrochlorotetraoxosulfate 6 acid to give 12 carbon plus 11 moles of water H2O plus hydrotetraoxosulfate 6 acid. In the reaction above, tetraoxosulfate 6 acid functions as A. A reducing agent, B. A catalyst, C. A dehydrating agent, D. An oxidizing agent. Solution. The compound C12H22O11 sucrose as a carbohydrate is described as hydrated carbon of the type CsH2OY. Thus, C12H22O11 can be represented C12H2O11. Therefore, the water molecule H2O is removed, that is dehydrated. Only carbon is left in the reaction. Sucrose plus tetraoxosulfate acid to give 12 molecules of carbon plus 11 molecules of water, and the tetraoxosulfate acid absorbed or removed the water molecules, 11 molecules of water, thus leaving behind only carbon. Therefore, the tetraoxosulfate acid is a dehydrating agent. Therefore, the answer is C. Question 143. During the vulcanization of rubber, sulfur is added to A. Letting the chain of rubber, B. Break down rubber polymer, C. Act as a catalyst, D. Bind rubber molecules together. Solution. Vulcanization is the conversion of soft rubber to a tougher and more elastic material by treating it with sulfur, whose atoms form cross-link between adjacent polymer molecules. Therefore, the answer is D. Question 144. When sodium reacts with water, the following solution is A. Alkaline, B. Acid, C. Neutral, D. Weakly acidic. Solution belongs to the group 1 element of the periodic table described as alkaline metal. This implies that metal reacts vigorously with cold water, liberating hydrogen gas and form alkaline solution. Example, 2Na sodium plus 2 molecules of water to give 2 sodium hydroxide NaOH plus hydrogen H2. Therefore, the answer is A. Question 145. The general formula for alkanals is A. RCOOR prime, B. R2CO, C. RCHO, D. ROH. Solution. The alkanals constitute a homogeneous series with the general formula CnH2n plus 1 CHO. Thus, alkanals possesses CHO as the functional group. Therefore, the answer is C. Question 146. Which of the following metals burns with brick red flame? A. Ca calcium, B. Sodium Na, C. Magnesium Mg, D. Lead Pb. Solution. Some metals burn with certain characteristic flame correlation. Example, sodium burns producing yellow flames, potassium burns with lilac flame color, while calcium burns with brick red flame color. Therefore, the answer is A. Question 147. The gas that can best be collected by downward displacement of air is A. Chlorine, B. Sulfur 4 oxide, C. Carbon 4 oxide, D. Ammonia. Solution. Generally, gas heavier than air, example chlorine, Cl2, hydrochloric acid, HCl, sulfur 4 oxide, SO2, are collected by downward delivery or upward displacement of air. On the other hand, gas lighter than air, example ammonia, NH3, are collected by downward delivery or downward displacement of air. Therefore, the answer is D. Question 148. A trihydric alkanol is A. Phenol, B. Glycol, C. Glycerol, D. Ethanol. Solution. Alkanols are classified according to the number of hydroxyl OH group per molecule. Example, alkanols with only one hydroxyl group OH are described as monohydric alkanols. Example, ethanol, C2H5OH. Alkanols with two hydroxyl groups are called dihydric alkanols. Example, 810